I'm here on the MSC Magnifica staying in an interior cabin 11032, and I booked this room for $300. So hopefully, if you're looking at coming on MSC, you're still finding those great deals out there as well. And if you do that, you're probably gonna get a room very similar to this one. It is an interior of an interior, I call it. But I'm excited to show you the full walking tour of MSC's Magnifica's interior cabin 11032. Welcome to the outside of 11032 here on the MSC Magnifica. As you can see, it is on a side hallway, so it's turned a little bit different than the others. That is your main hallway down there. So if you make a right per the exit sign, you're gonna walk down and you're gonna have the forward elevators probably about 15 feet in front of you. So not very far. I've actually enjoyed being in the forward section of the ship because I am close to the gym, the spa, as well as the entertainment. So it's actually been really convenient to be able to move around. I'm also not on the highest deck here, which is deck 12. So I don't hear any of the noise from upstairs either, which is really, really nice. Coming into this interior cabin, it is small, so this won't take long. I'm getting as far away from this as I can to show it to you all, but on the left-hand side, you see the desk. I've got the 2 towels. So MSC gives you towels, which is really nice. I like that they just give them to you. Wish they weren't that burnt orange color, but it is what it is. And it's gonna come with a stool. So you don't get a proper chair, you get this burgundy stool down here, which I've actually been sitting on the towels to give me a little bit more height. You're gonna have 2 European plugs that are there, and then you're gonna have 2 American plugs. As you see, I've got my 10-foot cable, and I have it pointed towards my nightstand over here. So yes, the 10-foot cable will reach the nightstand over there, and you can keep your cord, I'm pulling it out of the wall, up against the wall, so you're not gonna trip over it at night, but you'll be able to charge your phone or any device that you may have. So there is not a plug, a USB, anywhere in this room on that side. There's actually no USB plugs at all, but none of them are over there. You're gonna have a king-size bed. The pillows on here, they could use a little bit of fluffing. They are older pillows, I think, and there's not much to them. I like a little bit more oomph to my pillow, if you will. Those are kind of missing that. And you'll also see that I've got a extra bed over here. So if I wanted to put 3 people in this room, I could absolutely do that. Have 2 on the bed, and then you're gonna have one where this pulls down into the room. Don't have that other light turned on, but you see there is a nightstand over here as well that the person on the right-hand side can use. And as you see, hey everybody, there are mirrors everywhere in this room. So you've got one straight ahead, you're gonna have one over here by the vanity mirror, and you're gonna have a full-length mirror over here as well. So backing myself into the corner to show you the opposite side, you'll see there is a small TV over here. I don't know why they didn't put it on the wall, but they've left it on the table. I use it for a wee little bit of storage for all my technology, and you've got a mini bar down below. So that's kind of wasted space. You can have them, by the way, take things out of the mini bar. So if you're bringing things on board and you know you're going to want to use it to store your own items, just let your stateroom attendant know and they will take that stuff out for you. You're also going to see where I put my shoes. So I don't travel with a lot of shoes. It is a weekend, so I've got a pair of sandals, fancy, and then workout shoes. I've been putting them right here. That's the best place I can find to get them out of the way. And I've got my technology bag and a ship model that I bought over there. So excited to get home and add that to the collection. Now coming back here, show you exactly where we're at on the map. We are this red dot here, so you see we are all the way forward. MSC is going to have multiple elevator and stairwell banks, so you are all the way at the forward one, which I like because it goes all the way up and it comes all the way down. So you have easy access on the ship. You're going to have decent storage as well. I'm going to back up so hopefully you can take all this in. I like the hangers on here. Like, I've not seen hangers that have that kind of shape, but I have enjoyed those on here. You're gonna have storage down below as well. That's where I chose to put my suitcase versus putting it under the bed. And you can have your life jackets up above, so in case of an emergency, make sure that you're grabbing those. You'll also see that, I rearranged it a little bit so they had the ice and the cups on the desk, and I need to use the desk. I've got a lot of stuff. So I moved that into here. Use this as a ledge. You see that there is a little bit of a safe that's there, and you're gonna have some drawers here as well. These are actually really deep. I say they're really deep. They get the job done. I can get a good amount of stuff in there. So I do like those drawers, and there's a ton of them. I feel like just me, I'm using like 5 or 6 of them. I tried to divide or organize them, and that didn't work out as well as I wanted. Swinging back over here to the bathroom. And I see I forgot to take my swimwear down. So I went to the thermal spa today, the Aria Spa, and got to hang out there. So let me pull that down just so you can see it a little bit better. So it is a normal shower. You're gonna have a shower curtain there. So the shower curtain actually stayed out of the way for the most part. I don't like bumping into the shower curtain, just something that gets me. But if you wanted to, you could leave it open and you'd be able to get water all into your bathroom. So it's gonna drain to the same spot. It's the same material. There's nothing wrong if you wanna leave that curtain open and just use this as more of a wet room. You just wanna make sure you have a towel down to be able to collect it. Interestingly, it does come with shampoo and then shower gel on the other side. It does not come with conditioner, which I have dearly missed, and I forgot to bring mine. So I need to do that. Bring that on my next sailing here on MSC. You're also gonna see it's got really good counter space. I like the bathroom here. It has good space for me to store things on. You're gonna have shelves over on the right if I was here for a longer cruise and wanted to unpack. Got plenty of space to do that. And you're gonna have cabinets and sections down below where you can store your stuff as well. All right, so that is the tour of MSC Magnifica's 11032. Hope you have enjoyed. If you're considering this room, hopefully you're getting it for a good price. Check out this video on how I got it for just $300. All right, everybody, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. Hoping to see you on a weekend cruise soon.